गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू पैसा बोलता है। पैसा बोलता है में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। आज मैं एक ऐसा कंपनी के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ जो फार्मा इंडस्ट्री में पांचवा सबसे बड़ा मार्केट कैप कंपनी है भारत में। टुडे आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट अ कंपनी व्हिच इज बेसिकली फ्रॉम गुजरात एंड इज द फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट फार्मा कंपनी बाय मार्केट कैप। आई हैव नेवर डिस्कस्ड दिस कंपनी बिकॉज ये आई डिडंट बिलीव इट हैज कटिंग एज टेक्नोलॉजी। टू, द प्राइस वाज ऑलवेज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव एंड आई सिंस वी डिडंट हैव दिस फ्रॉम IPO, my attention never went to it, and therefore I have never discussed this stock. So a lot of people have had this stock. This stock today, what I'm going to talk about is Torrent Pharmaceuticals. Torrent has also got other companies. It's got a power and city gas distribution company. In the city of Madras where I live, Torrent has the city gas distribution license, but still has not yet come to every house. Though there are some places where Torrent gas is being sold, which shows that the company is in for the long haul. The shares surged 8% yesterday to hit a nearby 52-week high. It has reached 1,847, I think is the 52-week high. The Q4 numbers were very good. The Q4 net profit happened to be 287 crores. In the previous year, the loss was 118 crores. So there has been a 400 crore swing from loss to profit. Net revenue from operations has gone up by 17% to 2,491 crores. Earnings before interest, depreciation and tax went up by 30% to 727 crores. The company had already declared an interim dividend of 14 rupees and has now declared another dividend of 8 rupees per share. So if you had Torrent Pharma, you would have made 22 rupees per share. The face value of the stock is 5 rupees and therefore the dividend declared is 160%. Net profit for the year 23 is up 60% to 1,245. Revenue from operations went up a mere 13% at 9,620 crores. This company has a long history and was started in 1959. It's among the top 5 in therapeutic segments of cardiovascular, gastro, vitamin, minerals, and the central nervous system, and also has a very strong presence in dermatology. Most of the products it does are generics and generic replacement. I have not heard about this company doing original molecules and research. The company's product offerings are in form of oral solutions, Indian and synthetic API liquids. There are 10 major brands for this company contributing 100 crores revenue and has more than 100 plus ANDAs approved by US FDA and 54 ANDA applications are in pipeline. As far as geography is concerned, the Indian market is the largest market. It's a domestic player with 47% here, 16% in US, 13% in Germany. Rest of the world represents 16% and Brazil 8%. The company has offices in 12 plus countries and since selling its products in more than 40 companies. It has 8 manufacturing facilities in India and 1 in US. It has 700 research scientists who work at Gujarat plant and the company spends 6% of its total revenue on research and development. The current market price of this stock is 1,798. The high and low are 1,847 and 1,344. The company trades nearly 10 times its book value. It's about 9.9. The earnings per share is 24.6. The promoter's debt to equity ratio is well within control at 0.67. But however, as per industry average, when you compare the big four, Divi's, Sun Pharma, Reddy and Cipla, the company does have huge debt. The promoters have 71.25% of the company, FII is 12, DIA is 8.89 and general public 7.71. The Indian pharma market grew at 19% year on year. In Q4 F23, it grew up by more than 14%. Despite a strong base year, COVID was very prevalent in 2019-20. The company's revenue growth has not been very good despite a strong year, especially because of COVID. Reasons for the steady of growth are reasons that growth has been steady, strong quarterly growth in US markets, strong domestic sales. So basically what it is that Q4 sales has been very strong in America and very strong in domestic area. This is among the top 25 pharma companies in India, but this is the fifth largest pharma company. So the share has gained most in the last 6 months period. And at the correct time when city licenses were given for power and city gas distribution, that is over a period of time, there will be no LPG in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities, where Torrent gas will supply the liquid LPG gas. They will supply direct compressed natural gas, which is a cleaner cooking fuel. But at this price, this stock does not add value because the EPS is 24. So the price to earnings multiple has gone up to nearly 49.3%. So the 49.3 times earnings, and there is some debt. There is for every 1 rupee there is 67 paisa debt, and this is going to put pressure on this company. So the FIIs won 12%, the DIIs won 8.89%, the public only 7%. So this is what is Torrent Pharma all about. Too expensive for me to look at. I have not looked it at all. Thank you for watching पैसा बोलता है. आपने इस पॉडकास्ट में आए और इस पॉडकास्ट को सुना, इसके लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ. धन्यवाद. नमस्कार. जय हिंद. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. Kindly share this video with your friends and relatives if you have not already done so. Once again, I thank you for your support for पैसा बोलता है. पैसा बोलता है में फिर से आपका स्वागत है. जैसे मैंने अपने दूसरे चैनल में बताया आप लोगों को, मैं 11 जून रविवार कोलालमपुर मलेशिया में रहूंगा. उधर शेरेटन इंपीरियल होटल में मैंने एक मुलाकात अरेंज की है. उधर शाम 4 बजे से लेके 7 बजे तक मीटिंग रखा है. जो भी उधर आप मुझे मिलना चाहते हैं उधर आप आ सकते हैं. ये लिंक नीचे दबाने से एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल आईडी मिलेगा जहां आप हमारा टीम से संपर्क कर सकते हैं और डिटेल्स आपको देंगे. ये पिल सिटी मॉल के पास है. जलान सुल्तान इस्माइल एरिया में है. कोलालमपुर मोनो रेलवे स्टेशन इसके पास है. धन्यवाद. नमस्कार. जय हिंद.